DMAIC is a data-driven methodology used in Six Sigma for improving processes. The acronym stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control, and it represents the structured approach taken to identify and resolve process inefficiencies. Define. Identify the problem or improvement opportunity. Define the project goals, scope, and customer requirements. Create a project charter and identify key stakeholders. Measure. Collect data to establish baselines and quantify the problem. Identify key process performance metrics. Develop a measurement plan and ensure data accuracy. Analyze. Examine the data to identify root causes of the problem. Use tools like cause and effect diagrams, Pareto analysis, or regression analysis. Validate root causes with data. Improve. Develop and implement solutions to address the root causes. Pilot the improvements and refine based on feedback. Use techniques like brainstorming, design of experiments, or poka-yoke, which is error-proofing. Control. Establish controls to sustain the improvements. Implement process monitoring and control plans, train stakeholders, and document best practices. This methodology is widely used in quality management, manufacturing, healthcare, and other industries to systematically improve processes and deliver better results.